Today I'm making meatball calzones. I got some turkey meatballs and Italian 6 cheeses. And what you do is in a can of biscuits, whatever can you like. You can do 5, and then I took them and split them in half, which is kind of easy because they just peel apart. So I would split them in half, and then I took some marinara sauce or spaghetti sauce if you have that. Put a little dab on it, season it, and then plop in the frozen, already pre-cooked turkey meatballs. And then what you do is you roll them up and then place them on a cookie sheet and cook for about, I would say, until nice and golden brown, and eat. Enjoy. So this is how you roll them up. I just take a meatball, a little handful of cheese, take a meatball, and you just take the dough and roll it in here and pinch the edges and start the roll like a little calzone. And you do it to all of them. Okay, and this is how they look. And you cook them in the oven on 350 for about 15 minutes till nice and brown the way you like them, and eat. Wow. And they are out of the oven. Gotta love it. Time to take it in the hubby and see if he likes them. Taste test time.
All right, homemade calzone. Let's see what this tastes like. The crust is good. The meat inside is really good. And so is the sauce. And you can taste the cheese. Man, that is some really good. Really good. Wow. There's turkey meatballs in there. And they are really, really good. Another satisfied customer at Tia's Kitchen.